Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to file your cryptocurrency taxes using Turbotax with the help of Turbotax. Don't worry, it sounds complicated, but I'll walk you through each step and make it super simple. First, open up your browser and head over to the official Turbotax website. Once you are there, click sign in. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one, but if you do, just log in with your credentials. Log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the Turbotax home screen. Now look for the section labeled 2024 taxes and click on it to begin your tax return for this year. Next, tap on the Federal tab. This is where you'll enter all your federal tax information. Scroll down and look for wages and income. Then tap on that. Inside the section, find and tap investments and savings. You'll see options like 1099B, 1099 INTI, 1099 DIV and 1099K. And this is also where you'll enter your crypto data. Click that option. Now click add/edit to begin entering your investment data. You'll be asked if you have investment income to report. Select yes to continue. TurboTax will now ask you to choose a financial institution. This is helpful for importing data directly from your crypto platforms. Once selected, click on Let's Get Your Forms. Follow the prompts from here to either import your forms automatically or add them manually. Carefully enter your crypto transaction data and double check everything before submitting. And that's it. You've now filed your crypto taxes using TurboTax and Turbotax. Your time has come to create tax. If you're ever unsure about something, don't hesitate to check with a tax professional to make sure everything's accurate. Thanks for watching.